Hey guys, it's Skyler with Turtle AV, and today I want to show you our dual channel XLR to Dante adapter. This is just one of the 6 adapters in this lineup. They're all TAA compliant, they all have a 3-year warranty, and they are all made with a 90% recycled hard plastic shell. This adapter converts 2 analog XLR inputs into 2 Dante streams on your network, with physical gain adjustment for each channel. It can produce Dante audio up to 96,000 kHz sampling rate. And it has a genuine Dante Ultimo chipset in it, which means it's not only compatible with that Dante hardware you know and love, but also that Dante software you're already familiar with. So first, power the adapter with either USB-C or PoE. Connect it to your network, and notice we're using an AV line netgear switch. That is because they have a preset that will set the network traffic up for Dante audio. Now connect your XLR source and route your Dante streams. We have a lot of other Dante-enabled devices here at Turtle AV, so check us out at turtleav.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you can stay up to date on all of our new products and all of our new features.